We are at 1769 Delaware Avenue in Atlanta. It's the Lake Claire neighborhood. This is a really adorable 2-bedroom, 2-bath home, cottage style, has a little extra bonus space. What you'll notice first is how light and bright all of the rooms are. It's had some nice updates that has opened it up, and we'll show you those in just a moment. Coming into the formal dining room, you'll see that it's so bright because you have these beautiful views because you sit up above the street. Open up into the kitchen with a nice breakfast bar, updated cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless appliances. So the really unique thing about this house is although it's 2 bedrooms, it's over 1,300 square feet, so you have a couple of additional bonus spaces. My favorite one is this one. We have space so that if you wanted to have an office, they've added additional wardrobes for storage. You could take that out and have another couch or even a guest space. So really, really lovely space, great light with these skylights, extra bonus you don't find usually. Here we are in the owner's suite. It does have a full bathroom and a beautiful view of the backyard. We are right next door to the secondary bedroom, which has a beautiful view of the front. Another great space to enjoy is this massive deck, beautiful backyard that's fully fenced. And one of the best features is the fact that this actually has alley access. So you park right over here, easy walk in. My favorite thing about this house is this front porch. It's a perfect spot to sit and look over the quiet street.